push notification for browser or mobile, anything. For like if someone visit your website and enable notification, then he will receive notification on mobile app or laptop anywhere. For that, we'll install a plugin. Just search here push notification. Okay. Now here you can see multiple plugins. I will install web push notification. You can either install web push or one signal. You can There's one difference between these two. Like it doesn't give you specific notification for WooCommerce. Like if you want specific feature for WooCommerce, then install this plugin. If you want like normal notification as WordPress website, then you can go with it. But this plugin has specific notification feature integrated with WooCommerce where you can show buy product, out of stock product, any type of notification. You can first click on it. You need to register on it. Okay, just click on it. It will open a pop-up form. You need to register. And here you can fill all the detail. Click on register, then verify it. Then you can easily able to log into your account. Okay. Here you can be after registration. I get REST API key. Show my web push notification is integrated now. Okay. Now what I need to do, go to configuration and you can enable web push notification from here. If you want to give new post notification, so I don't want to give any post notification. I just want to use it for WooCommerce. Here you can see WooCommerce enable abandoned cart. If someone left product in your cart and he didn't purchase, then you can give notification, like you can set from here after 1 hour or every 1 hour. You can set it. If you want to, you can enable it. Price drop notification, if you want to give your user, then you can use it. Sale price notification you can give, so you can use it, this notification. Okay. On front end, when you log in here, you can see if someone need to subscribe, so what will do, it will give a pop-up. If you visit website for first time, then it will show a pop-up. I will show you in a incognito tab. Yeah. Here you can see when first time I visit website, here you can see it is asking for like if you want to receive notification or no. If I enable yes, it will keep sending notification that as admin I will send. Okay, if I select no, then it will no. You can unsubscribe anytime if you don't want to receive notification. Okay. Now if you want to create custom notification, you need to log in. Here you can see this is my web web pusher admin login. Here you can see I can see all the details here. Now, if in push notification here you can see I want to give a manual notification. I can create campaign here. Okay, this is simple basic notification here you see. So that's why you can easily add push notification in your WordPress website for showing WooCommerce notification for a vended card or new product, a price drop, anything very easily. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my